Hello everyone and welcome back on Engineering CAD Design and Prototypes. Today we are going to create this kind of part in SolidWorks according to this drawing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos and projects. Okay, open a new part in SolidWorks. Go to File, New, Part. Okay, select from here front plane, sketch. Take center rectangle. Go to the origin point. Okay, let's define this one. Say okay, smart dimension. Here we have 120 millimeters, and here we have 40 millimeters. Okay, nice and clean. Let's do the 120 and 40 millimeters. The radius is 20. Okay, the thickness will be 56 millimeters. Okay, but first select from here center point arc. Select midpoint. Okay. Select trim entities. Delete this one. Okay. As you can see, the sketch is not fully defined. Select smart dimension. Here 20. Say yes. Okay. Press shift key. Select this center point and the origin point. And make them vertical. Now the sketch is fully defined. We have to design this circle. Okay, select from here circle. Okay, smart dimension. The diameter will be 20 millimeters. Okay. Now go to features, extruded boss base, and put here 56 millimeters. I prefer reverse direction. Say yes. Let me choose chrome plate and plain white. Okay. Select this face, sketch. Take corner rectangle. Let's define them. Smart dimension. Here we have 70 millimeters, 40, 56. That means 8 millimeters here. Okay, 40, 20. Okay, 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. Here we have 16 millimeters. Here we have 12 millimeters. Here we have 70 millimeters. And here we have 40 millimeters. Okay, nice. Now we have to design this one. Okay, select line. Okay, smart dimension. Here we have 7 millimeters. millimeters, 4 millimeters. Press Shift K, select this line and this one, and make them equal. Say yes. Smart dimension. Here you have 26. Take line. Close the sketch. Okay, let's give a check. Select Smart Dimension. Here you have okay. Let's design in this circle. I think one dimension is missing, but this exercise is only for practice. Let's take from this center point and up to this line 20 millimeters. Okay, select circle, Smart Dimension. The diameter is 20 millimeters. And 20 millimeters. As you can see, the circle is not fully defined. Press Shift key, select this point and this midpoint and make them vertical. Now it's fully defined. Okay. Go to features, select extruded cut, and select this line. Say yes. Okay, this is our video for today. I hope you like this video and share this video for your friends. See you next time.